Alright, so today we're going to be doing an install in a Toyota Tacoma. So it was 2018. First step we're going to do to get the radio out is just pull off this big piece of trim here. That includes the vents on it. All you're going to need is just a pry tool. And you just go in between here, pry out, and just work your way around it. You'll feel it start to come loose. And it comes right off. As you can see, you got a bunch of clips around it, and that's all that holds it in. From there, you're going to need a 10mm socket. You can use a drill or wrench, whatever you got. And we're just going to undo these 4 screws. So now I've got all those loose, radio should just pull right out. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect all the plugs in the back of it. There's actually a few plugs you can skip. You'll see on the back it's a brown plug and 2 white plugs from the very top. There's 3 plugs altogether, and they just connect to the back of the unit again. There's 2 separate modules on the back, and it connects the 2. I'll show you right here. As you can see, all of these just jump down to this module down here, so there's no point in actually undoing those. So now that we've got the radio pulled, I've gone ahead and ran my 2 vehicle-specific cables here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to connect these to the harnesses back here. Now from there we're going to take our radio and we're going to plug it all back up, but the harness is now interrupting it. So now that we've got all the harnesses connected, I'm going to go ahead and pull the slack on these 2 wires for the VLine, just so I don't have a big mess behind the radio. Go ahead and slide the unit back in. And that completes the installation. Obviously, you're going to screw these back in, pop your trim back on, and we'll follow up after that.